If I
This is the day that the Lord had made. And until now, hindi pa rin nagsisingkin sa akin na we will now getting married.
my desires,
Salamat kasi through this journey, God teaches us that love is not about kilig at kantsawan, but love is purely about 1 Corinthians 13.
from judging eyes,
Tila at nagkakaroon ng magandang family po. At salamat sa Lord kasi meron ako nun. Magandang family. Thank you po sa inyo dalawa. Yan, sir, hindi naman po ako mawawala. Madadagdagan lang tayo. Ayan, so nandito pa rin ako palagi para sa inyo.
turn that remains flood over, and then we carry on as we go. First a seed, then a rose from the leaf that drank growing tall. And then we carry on, no force bugs me down. First a seed, then a rose from the leaf that drank growing tall.
More than 6 years of being with you was a roller coaster ride. Tandang-tanda ko pa nung nagsisimula tayo.
Sobrang bilis ng panahon, parang dati andun lang tayo sa praying stage. Waiting for the perfect time para makapagpaalam manligaw sa'yo. Fast forward, year 2023, that I decided and prayed na, Lord, sigurado na ako sa Kanya.
In your eyes, I can see your life together. Stand by you, and I think I want to forever.
This is the best moment para magpasalamat sa'yo. Sa lahat ng pagkakataon na pinili mo akong mahalin, pagpasensyahan, unawain, at intindihin sa kabila ng pagkukulang ko.
Finally here. Hey, you never looked so beautiful. You're everything I've waited for, so much more. Standing right in front of me, and we go weather every high and low. If love is going where we go.
Maging maayos na pamilya at maging huwaran sa mga susunod pa mga henerasyon na pagkasama. Kaya, yun lang masabi ko sa'yo.
Take my hand, there's 1,000 first dances for us. In an endless sky, being lit by the fire of our love. Yeah. After all that's come and gone through all the years, I wouldn't trade a thing, 'cause it brought us here. Hey, you never looked so beautiful. You're everything I've waited for, and so much more. Standing right in front of me, and we go weather every high and low. If love is going where we go to have it all forever.
Today, I, Darius Bahanig Acosta, take you Jeremy Leon, Yatar Solero, and soon to be Acosta, to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part. Mahal kita palagi.
And we go weather every high and low. If love is going where we
Today,
go to have.
surrounded by people who love us, I vow not just to be a good wife, but a better wife. Malim mo, next time best na. And I promise to worship the Lord with you until the day He calls us home. No more malungkot na paghihiwalay sa gitna ng LRT at bus kasi simula ngayon magkasama na tayo. Makakasama mo na ako. I love you 1,000 hanggang sa pagtanda.